to my channel. So this cute little chair, someone threw it out. Super cute. I had a very difficult time in deciding whether I should cut into it to place the plants inside and turn it into a planter, or just place plants on top of it. To get the full effect of the chair full, I feel like I have to cut into it. So yeah, I'm really torn, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut into it and plant it up. Just needs a little bit of wood glue here and it should be good to go. And then I just gotta cut in there and then figure out what I'm gonna place in there. So this is what I had to do. What I had to do is I had to do take this screen. This is what you use for your window screens. It's just a bunch of it that I have. So I stapled it all around, and then I lined it with plastic, and I also made holes on the plastic. The reason I lined it with plastic so that when it rains, a lot of this soil does not fall through. And then I put the plastic inside. I didn't do it the other way around. I didn't place the plastic first because throughout the time the plastic will deteriorate. So I'd rather do it this way than the other way. Anyways, let me set up and let me see what we come up with. I know I want it to be all kalanchoe, and I know it doesn't look all that right now. It looks pretty dirty. I actually like to leave it like this. It is vintage, it is old, it is beat up. I am gonna put the arm back, but that's it. I'm not gonna paint this. I want it to look like this. It's vintage, so that's what we're doing. Well, I don't know if it's vintage. It makes it look vintage. So anyways, I'll set you guys up and you guys can see what I do. Guys, I'm all set up now. I have, as usual, my mix. That's always just what I have available to me, which is the Cactus Miracle Grow soil and the turf. What did I wanted to tell you guys? So we're gonna call this chair the fuzzy kalanchoe chair, because all the kalanchoes that I'm putting on here are fuzzy, and I have 5 of them, 5 different, and the name that I have is based on whatever label it had. So if by any chance I have it wrong, well, that's what the label said. This is the big one. This is the showstopper right here. She's the beauty. She's called the Golden Girl. So she's the showstopper. So we're gonna leave her as big as she is. Look at how pretty she is. I don't know if I should just push her to the side like this, or should she be, yeah, she's gonna go on the side. Oopsie. And then maybe we'll go from biggest to smallest. Supposedly this is chocolate soldier. Supposedly. I'm not sure. I've seen chocolate soldiers have, you know, more brown on them, so I don't know if this is chocolate soldier. So we'll just go with supposedly. Okay, the next big one that I have is the cinnamon one. She was with another arrangement that I had made. That's why she's got these long hairs on her. Cinnamon. That's a big dog. I think I should put cinnamon over here. Okay, so that's cinnamon. This is panda plant, one of my favorites. Well, I love them all, actually. They're just so pretty and fuzzy. This is panda one. If it gets enough sun, it keeps its rosette shape. I know that this chair would have looked stunning with different colorful plants, but I like the idea of being able to look at them all together and see the different types of fuzzy kalanchoes. I'm sure I'm missing more. Okay. I actually wish I had more so it could look more full, but I don't. So it's not gonna look mega full. This is as full as I can get it. And this here, supposedly it's named Teddy Bear. I don't know if it is Teddy Bear or Tomentosa, but this one keeps leaning this way no matter what. That was super quick. I don't have any more. As my collection grows, I'll try to squeeze some in here to see. I don't know how many more I'm missing. I don't even know how to search for them. Because there's so many different types of kalanchoe, so it's very hard to search for it. Let me dress it up, make this look better, fix the arm, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Guys, here's the chair all done. Let me give you a close look. Obviously, I don't want to leave the trailer, even though it looks cute in the future there. Eventually, I would like to fill this up with other fuzzy kalanchoes, but I don't know if there is any more. I have to just keep an eye out for ones that are different. So like I said, this is Golden Girl, supposedly Chocolate Soldier, Cinnamon, Panda, and either Teddy Bear or Tomentosa. I don't know. I have to check that out. But let's see. I don't know why it's okay. There we go. It's better. A close up look of all this. Okay guys, as usual, if you like this video, please comment below. Don't forget to share and like, and thank you so much. Have a blessed day, guys.